On our last day at the Khorasan Resort, Michelle and I were invited to attend a Kava ceremony. It was complete with Fijian food and dancing. The Khorasan invited some local villagers from a nearby town to perform their traditional song and dance. It was really cool to see how lively everybody gets in a ceremony like this. Just wanted to take this moment to thank you for watching and stopping by my channel. If you really like what you see and want to see the next video when it comes out, now would be a great time to hit the subscribe button, or the like button too.
Tanoa. We call it in Fiji the brown lady. You guys have the red lady or the black lady.
Yeah,
This
the
is
brown
our
lady.
national drink, we call it the brown lady.
Like Johnny Walker.
Would you normally use this many packets of Kava?
Depends on how much water you have in the bowl. Because in one bag, this is a $2 bag. So they say $2 bag when they weigh it, probably around 150 to 200 grams.
When you go in the villages, can you give a bag or do you have to give
Depends if you're going for the first time. If you go a second time, then you need like a pound of one. As long as it's dark.
Powder probably is easier to mix, more concentrated.
Alright, so when Dan comes around with a bowl of kava, first turn to drink will be the chief. Right? So the chief, whenever you get the bowl, you say mula, and then you drink. And then after you drink, you say mada, and you give the bowl back, everybody will do 3 cups. Not so much a clap, but it sounds like that.
A deep clap.
When you're about to take the bowl, one tap, bula, drink, mada, and then 3 taps. Alright? Got it? Everybody ready? Alright. Hello! So when you want a full bowl, you say high tide. When you want very little, you say low tide. Chief, high tide or low tide? Low tide.
Oh! Nice to meet the chief.
Ula! Everybody say ula!
Hula! Aba.
The women's dance. The sesa is a standing dance performed by women only. So men, no, you cannot perform this dance. Mostly it is performed to welcome visiting dignitaries to the village, a chief perhaps, or special guests. You're very special, that's why we're performing it tonight. The sesa is performed across all tribes in Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause! In Fiji, there is even a popular song in Meke called Koyauna Stenimoksoi, a song that proudly sings out the beauty and the many uses of this flower. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand!
Just before I give the 90 dance group to sing the last number, I would like to call up some of our guests who will be leaving us tomorrow. And if I call out your name and your room number, could you please just make your way up to the front? Mr. and Mrs. Wilson of Floating Bura 7. Mr. and Mrs. Firestone of Lighthouse Villa. Guys, on behalf of the staff and the management of Khorasan, I would like to take this time to thank each and every one of you for your time. Thank you for choosing Khorasan. Your presence really means a lot, not only to the resorts, but to our communities as a whole. We sincerely do hope that you have enjoyed your stay and you have a story to tell back home. Just before I give it to our dance group, I will just elaborate more on the song that they're going to sing. It is called Isalei. It's a common Fijian farewell song. It was actually composed by one of the Fijian chiefs. On his way back from Tanoa, he wrote this song. Okay, the song symbolizes and signifies the love and care that the Fijians have for the visitors. So your presence here tonight means a lot to each and every one of us. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please do take this as a formal farewell to each and every one of you who will be departing from the week. Thank you very much. Please, another round of applause to our